Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you'll be able to take it and run with it and do a great job. I do have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something that you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video specifically is tailored for students who are doing projects on North Dakota. North Dakota was the 39th state to join the Union on November 2nd, 1889. This is the exact same day that South Dakota did the very same thing. The original governor for North Dakota was a guy named John Miller. Now, while many states do not have the current capital that they did when they started, North Dakota is different. North Dakota's capital has always been Bismarck. The state flag consists of a navy blue background with a bald eagle on it, in one hand talon holding a olive branch and the other talons are holding a bundle of arrows. Now, the state bird is called the western meadowlark, the state tree is the American elm, the state flower is the prairie rose, and the state nickname is the Peace Garden State. Interesting fact, Dakota is actually a Native American Sioux word that roughly means friend or ally. Now, the state motto is liberty and union, now and forever, one and inseparable. That's kind of cool. Hopefully that's enough information for you to get going and run with this thing. You're going to do a great job. I want to wish you the best of luck. I have faith in you. You got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.